Hi guys, so in my today's video I'll be showing you how you can make a cute recycled potter like this by using a very simple dabba can like this. So it's a very easy thing to do. Let me just show you how to do it. So let's get started.
Hi, I'm Vidya Shashank, a blogger and mommy of two. Welcome to my channel.
I'll be requiring a can like this. So it's a metal can. It's a formula milk powders can. So I have cleaned it properly because we don't want the surface to be very greasy. So it have been cleaned and it have been wiped and properly dried, and then naturally some brushes and some paints. So this time I'm going to color it yellow. So I'm going to take this yellow color. This is from Fabrica Camel colors, and it's an acrylic color. You can use acrylic color, or you can even use the fabric color, but do not use watercolors because it just washes off. So I'll show you how to paint it now.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were both.
And वैसे भी I'm going to put it on top of a cupboard. So even if there is little bit of like unevenness, it's okay because it will not be seen from far.
Alone, I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
So I've given a rough, kind of paint towards all the sides. Now I'm going to let it dry for some time, and once this layer dries up, I'm going to give another coat of the same color. So it's kind of dried now. I'm going to give a second coat. And when I'm giving the second coat, I'll make sure that I'm more precise and I'm doing it well, ताकि most of the areas get covered up. And anyhow, I told you I'm keeping it on top of cupboard, so I will decide which side I'm going to keep it facing front, and उस side को specifically I'm going to give a very good finishing.
Like sail away, I just don't wanna care.
So I've kind of painted the front part. I'll just give a quick finishing to the back part as well.
Okay, miss you like an old friend.
So this is kind of done now, and you can see like the front part is like ultra smooth और अच्छे से किया है. Back part चाहे जो भी हो, anyhow it's not gonna seen. So I will just let it dry for some time, and once it is dried, we are going to give few designs on top of this. So this is kind of dried now. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give few floral designs on top of it. You can give whichever design you want. If you like some kind of some boho prints, you can give that. If you want some kind of worldly painting things, you can do that, but I want to give some floral prints, so I'm going to give that. And I'm using these Q-tips for it because it's easy to just dab. So I'll show you what's the easiest way to get some beautiful flowers over here. So I'm just taking this, I'll show you closer view. So I'm just gonna put it dab, 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 dab. So you can see this is how I'm dabbing it. I guess it's visible.
Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were
So if you can see, I'm just dabbing.
like sail away. I just don't wanna care.
So now I'm like kind of happy with how the front part have turned up. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take green color and I'm going to draw the stick part of it. And once that is done, I'll finish by giving a little bit of black here and there, क्योंकि black उस design को pop up करके दिखाएगा, so it looks better. So I'm going to take this green color here. This one is light green. Again, an acrylic color. I'm going to take a very thin brush and give few stems here and there. So you can do however you want.
To just fly away. I don't wanna care. Just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend.
Yeah, so this is done and this is how it looks. तो as I told you, just like a rough design, मैंने इसके लिए कुछ I'm not drawn anything and I'm not followed any stencil or anything, just rough painting, क्योंकि I feel when you put plants into it, nobody's going to see how the potter looks like. The plant is going to be the main highlight. So that's it. I'm going to leave it to dry for some time, and then what we are going to do is we are going to put soil. I'll just show you one which I've already done over here. So I've put soil into it, and then I've taken these plant cuttings like this, and I'm just going to put it into the soil, and I'm going to water it. So here are my 3 plant potters all ready for the room decor. Hope you liked it, guys, and if you liked it, please do try it. It's the most easiest thing that you can ever do. You don't have to be a professional for that. All you need is any old dabba, a can. If it's a metal can, it's always good. And you need some paint, preferably an acrylic paint or fabric paint. You just need to go randomly on top of that, and you just need to make any designs of your choice. So if you like some doodles, you can do some doodles. If you like some other design, you can do that definitely. But here I love to give just raw wild floral look, so that's why I've given this. And as I told you, you can definitely use some very simple tools like this Q-tip, or brushes, or the back of the brushes, or just your fingers, or you can do vegetable printing. So you can do so many things, and you can just give a touch to this plant, and that's it. So hope this video was very easy, hope this video was very helpful, and it will definitely motivate you guys to make it. So try by yourself, try for yourself, and just enjoy.